So using a IO means input output library. How to use input output library in core Java. So when we require to use input output library, means when we require to input a value with user in core Java. Yeah, when you require to use InputStreaReader class and BufferedReader class, then you can use a import java.io.asterisk. Asterisk means what? So use of all methods in the core Java programs. My class name was IO examples. Public static void means string arguments, means a arguments variable. Now throws IO's exceptions. So whenever you need to input a value with user, then you need to call this IO exception classes, because in some cases suppose is given the error of the program, then is catch the error this class, right? And declarations of variable first number, second number and answer, and this is a format of Pascal format, right? Declaration of variable. Now I am using InputStreamReader class object reader, new InputStreamReader. Just initialize the class with constructor and just pass system.in. I am using system.in inside this because I input a value. Suppose you require to print a value, then you can call a system.out, which is I call inside this, right? After that, BufferedReader object is br new BufferedReader, and just put in the parameter the object of the InputStreamReader, the object of the InputStreamReader, right? Reader. After that, system.out.println and enter the first numeric value. This is my message, and just call the variable I first number is equal to br.readLine, which br. So when I require to input a value, then you can call br.readLine. Here two functions are there, read and readLine. So when you require to read in a new line, then you call readLine, and when you require to read in the same line, then you can call only read. This is different, right? So I'll call br.readLine, and inside this we are using a integer.parseInt function, right? This function for the convert a value into integer. Because my type was integer, I need to store a value in an integer variable. So you need to convert this value into integer format, and when you require to convert a value in an integer format, then you need to call integer class dot parseInt method, right? And just pass inside the parameter br.readLine. Now second, enter a second numeric value I seconds number is equal to integer.parseInt and .br.readLine. Now formula is first number plus second number, and just store inside the answer variable. Now call system.out.println and addition of two number is equal to I answer. Now just save this program and run. I've already opened CMD and it's already set the path. Just CLS clear skins, Java C IO example, Java C IO example dot Java. Just compile the program. After the compilation, Java IO example. Just run the program. Enter first number 45, second number 45. My answer was 90. The addition of the number. This is one basic simple program in IO exceptions, right? Not IO exceptions, input output readers.